www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best LED strip lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Improve your home entertainment experience with the Pangton Villa Kit. Adding mood lighting behind your screen looks cool and can help with eye strain. The included USB adapter plugs into most modern sets, so there's no need for a mains outlet. It's designed for 40 to 60-inch TVs, and the remote has a range of up to 26 feet. However, it's not bright enough for some. At number 9, the dotstone music can glow non-stop, as well as flash, fade, or dance to the beat of your favorite tunes in 16 colors. They're equipped with a remote that's easy to use and lets you adjust all the settings with its 24 buttons. These are available in 4 lengths and rated as IP65 waterproof, but some additional adhesive may be needed. Coming in at number 8 on our list. At under $10 for a 16-foot roll, the lighting ever flexible won't break the bank and will work well for anyone who needs just a plain white option. You can cut and link strips together to fit any size of space perfectly. It boasts a lifespan of over 50,000 hours and won't get too hot. However, note that a power adapter is not included. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the warm white glow of the ledjump high power can improve visibility anywhere you need it to, inside or out. The diodes have a particularly high intensity, but they're still energy efficient and can last a long time even if you leave them on often. It comes in your choice of various colors, and the brightness is even throughout, but the mounting tape is not very strong. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether you're creating the mood for a party, decorating for the holidays, or just trying to make your way around in the dark, you'll find the setting you need with the rxment wireless. Download the app and you can control all the features from a distance. It can be cut safely and includes a programmable timer. It's easy to install. Halfway up our list at number 5. With a durable design and a nearly 33-foot length, the wentop safety are a good value. They come with a power adapter that has slots for 3 separate strips, which allows you not only to plug them all into a single outlet, but also control them with one remote. The mounting adhesive can withstand some heat, and these are dimmable, with helpful online setup videos. At number 4, the nexillumi backlight can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from hanging on the back of a computer or TV screen to adding an eye-catching glow to a desk or shelf. And since it's waterproof, you can use it on your deck or patio without worrying. It comes with sturdy soldered joints and bendable corner-friendly wires, backed by an 18-month warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus has various useful features, from different shades of daylight to compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, and it works well alongside many other bulbs from the same manufacturer. It's simple to trim as needed thanks to the specified cut lines. It syncs with music and movies and lasts for up to 22 years. 3-foot extensions are also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the 12-inch GE10434 creates a warm, pleasing effect that's ideal for accenting a bookcase, a curio cabinet, an entertainment center, and more. You can link up to 6 of them together at a time, and the long power cord allows for flexible positioning. It's equipped with a dedicated on-off switch and is simple to attach to a smooth surface. It stays cool to the touch. And taking the top spot on our list, the minger dreamcolor creates a vibrant rainbow-like effect that can be controlled from anywhere via your smartphone. With a high-sensitive mic, it can be synced with music and ambient sound, making for a fun addition to any party. It includes mounting clips and tape and is sold in 16 and 33-foot lengths. It's suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video.